My name is James Fox. I'm an art historian at the University of Cambridge, and I specialise in the history and meaning of colour. Colour is identity. Colour is made inside us, and it means a great deal to us. The colours we choose to wear, the colours we choose to paint our homes in, the colours we choose on our car. Colour is a perfect expression of who we are. All colours are mysteries, but I think no colour is more mysterious than blue. Because blue is all around us, but forever out of reach. Blues generally live in depths, they live in distances. They live in the height of the sky and the distant horizon and the depths of the ocean, and they cannot be grasped, they cannot be reached, they cannot be touched. When I saw the Huraca Sterrato for the first time, I was really astonished, because it isn't just a car, it's a painting. It reminds me of the great abstract pictures of Jackson Pollock and Yves Klein, and it's in some ways a symphony of blue. It's not just one blue, but three different blues brought together and freeze them into liquid crystals. And so when you look at the surface of that car, which has so many layers of depth, you can see frozen water, you can see ice, you can see crystals, but you can also see the colours of the Sardinian coastline, the Costa Smeralda, and it's an extraordinary experience.